Hey guys, what's up? We are here with an anonymous customer. We're going to call her Sandra, right? But she's a real customer. Give me her package there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Give me one her package. Oh, what about so much package you have?
Yes, I actually bought a few things.
Alright guys, so Sandra is a real customer. These are her package. You can't take this back from me because I can't manage it. So, you know, we do videos and every now and then a customer wants to big us up, but them really don't want to come on the camera. We don't have a problem with that. We shoot them from behind to my time, and sometimes we don't shoot them, we just take the big up and we go and quietly go away. But today she wanted to say it on camera, so what you have to tell the people then? You like
I want to say thank you. The service was excellent. I mean, I wasn't so savvy, and I run into a few troubles here and there,
Yes.
and I got some great help. In addition to that, I got discounts, which I love.
Everybody love the discounts.
Everybody does. And of course, the best part of it, I think, was the convenience.
Convenient.
You took it where I wanted.
You hear that, guys? So you wanted it at home, but you're at work now, so we brought it to your work.
Yes.
Guys, you hear that? I didn't say it, you know. It's Sandra said.
Yes,
Sandra, give me a thumbs up. Let them say a thumbs up. You see the thumbs
I
up,
wish I
guys?
had more thumbs.
She wish she had more thumbs, guys. So I'm gonna give her 2.
Yes, thank you.
Alright, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, guys. What's up? She just said something nice a while ago. She said she loved the customer service. You hear that? We have good up customer service. Anything else you love? Want to the price? You like the price?
Yeah, man, the price, use of everything, car, nice everything.
You hear that? You hear that? And we bring it up delivered to you, right?
Right up and down.
You hear that, guys? I don't know what you're waiting for. There's a link. Click the link and join us today, right? Let's join. Yeah? When you do the endorsement, give a thumbs up. Alright guys, we get a big thumbs up. Remember, there's a link somewhere here. Click on that link. Alright, join us today. Get good customer service. Get your packages delivered to your doorstep. Get good rates. Everything good up, right? 100. Tell them bye-bye to me. She got drone out now. You are a drone shot now. Hey.